This video is for your Super Note Cards, which is your online pre-writing program that you will be using to write your essays. So first, what you want to do is create an account. So click here where it says create an account. Type in your email address. Make sure that your email address is your Toro mail. Okay, make sure again it's Toro mail. Put in your password and time zone. It doesn't really matter, but if you like, you can choose America and Los Angeles. Once you create an account, what you want to do is go down to where it says your membership and click join a group and type in the code that I gave you on our Blackboard site. The code would allow you a 1-year membership to this program. And so what you want to do next is click where it says start a project and type in whatever title you want, but most students just write essay number 1 like that. And then you can just leave all of this blank and just click on save. So here's essay number 1 that I created. And once you're in here, you will see that everything is blank, okay, which is great because this is where you will start thinking about your essay. The important thing to know for Super Note Cards is where it says click this plus sign right here. It will say add a card and add a deck. So I'm going to add one of each. The difference is that decks are like paragraphs and cards are like one idea that you want to write down and it goes into your deck. So think of like playing cards, right? You have a deck of cards and you have a bunch of cards on the outside, right? And so again, these decks are your paragraphs and these cards are just ideas that go into your paragraph. Okay, so I created 4 decks because for your essay number 1, you're writing a 4-paragraph essay, right? Intro, 2 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. So I created decks, again, just by clicking here and clicking add a deck. So here's my introduction, here's my body paragraph number 1, number 2, and conclusion. Okay, and then I just add a bunch of cards, okay, out here like that. And so the first step, what you want to do is to create an decks like this, and then the next step is to kind of write down some of your thoughts. So click on one of the cards and just start writing some of your thoughts for your essay number 1 down. Okay, so just type up your thoughts. Okay, and each card should have about 2 to 3 sentences. Okay, and this is important. So each card, again, should only have 2 to 3 sentences. You should not be writing a whole paragraph worth of thoughts. So again, your thoughts should be about 2 to 3 sentences, and writing complete sentences is a little bit helpful. Okay, so I took some time to write what I would write about for your essay number 1, and some of the ideas that I came up with concerns my grandparents. So my grandparents were placed into internment camps for the Japanese Americans during World War II. So I have some ideas here, and because of the way they were treated, their ideas with politics was molded based on their experiences, right? So maybe their experience and their ideas during World War II and internment camps has affected the way I think about politics. Okay, so maybe body paragraph number 1 could pertain to something with my grandparents and World War II. Okay, and then internment camps. And so what I want to do now is, now that I have this great idea for my body paragraph number 1, I'm going to move all of my cards that connect with my grandparents and body paragraph number 1 into that deck. So that goes in here. So here's my father's experience, internment camps goes in here like that. And so now all of the great ideas that I had while I was writing out my thoughts are now in here. Okay, and those are the cards that I have. And so now remember, the deck are paragraphs, right? So this is my body paragraph number 1. And so what I want to do is type my topic sentence right here. Okay, and it's really important for you to have a topic sentence, remember, because your topic sentence is like the central point of this body paragraph. So you have to write a topic sentence and it should be here. And then so now what you want to do is maybe add a few more cards. Okay, so now that I have my 1 main point, now I can try to figure out, okay, what other things can I talk about in here? Okay, and then also, your cards should be in order within the paragraph, right? So like this card maybe should be first. Okay, so that one should be first. Okay, and then my grandfather's experience, and then my father's experience later on, right? So the cards that you have should be in order, okay, like that. Okay, so now I have my cards kind of in order. Maybe I want to add a few more cards, okay? And so this is how you're going to be organizing your body paragraphs and your whole entire essay. Okay, and then, later on I'm going to come up with a great body paragraph number 2. So I'm going to put that in here, body paragraph number 2. Okay, whatever my main point was for my body paragraph number 2, right? What was my main point? Okay, and then again, write your topic sentence here like that. Okay, and add some more cards, move them around in the order that you want to be seen within your body paragraphs. Okay, and then your introduction should have your hook. The first one should be a hook. Okay, so remember in class we talked about hooks, different ways of doing hooks, right? And then the next card should be your bridge. Okay, and then the last card should be your thesis statement. Okay, so your introduction should look like this. You should have a hook, you should have a bridge, and you should have a thesis statement. Okay, body paragraph number 1. Right, here's my topic sentence. I'm going to write that here. Here are all my cards that I have, and it's in order. Okay, body paragraph number 2, same thing. Okay, and then conclusion is here. Okay, just add your cards and write your ideas and start moving them around. Once you're completely done with your Supernote cards, you have your full outline. Okay, you should have everything in order. You should be writing in complete sentences. You should have a thesis statement. You should have topic sentences for here. So now you want to turn this in to be checked for your outline. And so this is how you're going to be turning in your outline. You click here where you see these horizontal lines. You click on export. Okay. Students have said that exporting it in PDF format to be uploaded for your assignment in Blackboard works the best. Okay, so if you like, you can just, click here where it says export in PDF, and it will be exported into your PDF format, and you can just upload it for your Blackboard. Now, when you are ready to write your essay, okay, once I have given you my feedback, okay, you go back and start changing things, right? Maybe I might say something like your topic sentence for body paragraph number 2. Let's work on that, like let's rewrite that. Okay, so you go back and, fix everything. Okay, and once you have fixed everything, now you have a full outline ready and you are ready to start writing your essay. And so again, you click on export. If you write using Google Docs, click here. If you write using Word document, click here. Okay, and it will export all of your cards for you. Okay, and you have all of these cards in order, right? You have your thesis statement, you have these cards in order. Okay, so your ideas are pretty much here. And so now all you have to do is, rephrase things, move a few things, okay, complete your sentences, and that's how you will be writing your essay. Okay, and the beauty of it is that your outline is here for you. You made that outline. Okay, so writing your entire essay it turns out to be a breeze because most of your idea is here already in order. And so all you have to do is start typing away. Okay, and so this is how you'll be using Supernote cards.